Ladies and gentlemen, my name remains Dr. Paul Totti, okay? And if you are challenged by your health, that's why I'm here today, to talk to you specifically about different general health issues you may be passing through. Okay, some of you may have done surgery, some of you may have done some tests, and you find out that you have taken some treatment and it's not helping you. Okay, I present to you today that you can be helped. You can be helped with different documented species of